Hey guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to induce interest in mathematics among children. Okay, there are a lot of trivias in mathematics, interesting things in mathematics, so that you guys can tell those interesting things to children and then create some interest so that they'll start exploring more things like this in mathematics. I'll tell you an example. When you explain ninth table to children, you can tell this. Like let's say take 10 fingers in the hand. Like tell what is 9 into 1, close the first finger, it is 9. And tell what is 9 into 2, close the second finger, this is the first finger, second finger. Close this finger, decide 1, decide 8, 18 is the answer. Like let's say what is 9 into 5, close the fifth finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 this side, 5 this side, 45 is the answer. Like this, a lot of interesting trivia will be there in mathematics. You can teach those things to the children and create some interest in mathematics. Hope this would have given you some ideas how to create interest in mathematics. Thank you.